Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this MOTANBER mini electric stove, or just like a single burner here. These are pretty handy for if the power goes out or something and maybe you just have a generator, you're not able to plug in your entire stove and run it off of that. But maybe you can run a single cord over there and use this to heat up whatever you need to do or cook on it. So here we have, this has a couple of nice features, including a 20-minute shut-off if it's idle for that long. So we have the instructions right here and this little burner unit right here. Okay, so it's got a nice kind of a non-stick surface here. Well, it is obviously glass, but it's got a little bit of a, like it has like a little stick to it there. Bottom part has these nice little silicone pads on the bottom, so it's not going to slip around on your countertop. That is cool. And then we have heat water, make tea, power, timer on and off on there. Let's plug it in and show you guys how it works here. Okay friends, here we go. We got it hooked up. So the burner's not super big, but plenty big enough if you want to put a little pot on there for ramen, heat up some tea. So it has just a button here if you want to make tea. So it sets it at basically turn your thing on. It has a little on display there and make tea. It sets it at like 400, which is basically, this goes 100 to 800. So with 400 being like medium and then 800 being high and then 100 being low. It's basically how many watts it's putting into that. But I'm just going to go ahead and put it onto heat water. That's going to go our highest level. That's at 800 watts there. And so we'll see how long it takes. Actually heating up really quick here. But super handy, like I said, it's not going to slip around. The cord it has right here, it's probably about 3 feet. You don't want a super long cord on these, just in case people try to take it too far. This would be something like you would want on your counter or something like that. If you were going to run a generator, obviously you'd have to have probably a longer cord and run that to that. But super handy. I like the quickness that you can just press on and off, and the power buttons or whatever. The make tea one obviously is gonna tea is better, not at like a rolling boil, but just kind of like steeping in that nice hot temperature. I was actually thinking about making some ramen here just for that. Kind of making me hungry now, but I'll wait patiently here. All right, well, we're starting to get a boil right now. Probably about 2 minutes. What I like though, also I noticed is that while I was waiting for this, the side, it's not really hot. So I can put my hand like all the way here and just not touch the glass, obviously. The glass is red hot there. But this edge, this outer portion isn't getting hot. So we turn that off. You can see the steam coming off of here. It is boiling there. So that's nice. So very handy if you had this, you know, in a camper or something like that, or different things. And I like that even though this is super hot in the center, like it's really hot, it's more like a focused kind of heat. Like I said, around here on the outside, this portion doesn't get hot, so that's nice if you have little ones or something like that. Obviously you don't want them close to a stove, but if they do happen to touch the side or something like that, they should be okay. Just obviously the middle is extremely hot. So pretty handy here. Nice little stove, heats up the water quickly. I like settings on there, so if you don't want a super hot boil or a rolling boil or whatever, but you just want to heat up some like mac and cheese real quick or something, you can throw a little bit of water in there and just put it on low heat and regulate the temperature that way. So yeah, pretty excited to be able to use this, you know, if the power goes off or whatever. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.